drenched in sweat right now. It is at least 100 degrees right here now. It's got to be at least 100 and 110 the closer we get. We're back in the parking lot still. It's going. That structure is starting to go.
Woo! It's hard as fuck out here, boy.
Bro, it's...
God damn.
Everybody's collectively sweating their ass off right now. There it goes. I have never seen something like this in person in my life. I have never seen something like this in person in my life. Did you buy a gas mask? Bro, what buy station? All the buy stations are gone at this point. We're out of buy stations. I can't. It's so hot. I'm gonna sweat so bad. Hell yeah. There goes the left side of the building.
I was here when this fucking thing was like...
I was here when it was just barely on fire. Like, I've had it on my live stream.
Watching them try to set it on fire. Like,
you watched them try to set it on fire?
They were like lighting.
Why? You know?
No reason.
Why that one? Like, people, you know what I mean?
It's so long to fucking...
Bro, what do you mean so long? That shit, I'm so hot. Bro, it's so hot. God, I can't stand here. My legs are burning. This fire is so big. I bet you if you look outside right now, you guys in Minnesota will be able to see this fire. Just look outside your window and you'll see this has got to be on the national news. This has to be. They burned a whole building, bro. Like it's a big fucking structure that they burned. I can't get any closer. Like it physically hurts to get any closer than that. Like I can't. Hopefully this fire doesn't drain my battery. We're gonna kind of move a little bit of ways back. It's getting really warm. Really warm. I don't know how long the structural integrity of the building is gonna last. The Wendy's is done. I had to take my mask off, guys. I can't breathe with the mask on in this fire. And it's just too much. It's getting so hot. Oh, it's getting so hot. So this fire is literally lighting up the whole city now. Because they cut the power. They cut the power down here. As you guys can see, the street lights are off. The 3rd precinct's dark. This is the sight to see right now. Los Angeles is rioting. Minnesota is gonna smell like ass. Dirt, bro. It already smells like sulfur and. So here's the auto zone. It is so hot. They're cheering it. They're cheering it in the distance. Here's the auto zone. So the precincts. Here's the precinct. So we can get right next to it at this point because the building is on fire. So all the attention is on the building. So we do. All right. So we got National Guard on the rooftops. That's what's happening there. I'm standing in Lake Street, Minnehaha Avenue now. They got the riot police just in front of the precinct. That's the only place that they are. There's no National Guard out except for on the roof. That's all they got. They got it on the roof. We're gonna kind of work our way around. Saying this is what happens. He's saying this is what look at what your man's did. He said this is what happens. There it goes. Woo! Oh shit. All right, we're gonna stick around the parking lot, around to the left. It smells like marijuana and fucking sulfur and building burnings. That's the smells going on. It is so hot. So here's the views. So since the building lit up the parking lot, you guys can see it's getting so hot. Ah, fuck, dude. Ah, shit. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh shit. Woo! That's just gonna blow. Yep, power line went out. The power down here is cut anyways, except for the floodlights. So here we are, we're back in Target. It is so painfully hot. We gotta stand back a little bit. Tyler Anderson's on the bridge, so shout out Tyler up there on the bridge. All right, we're back. We're back kind of by the Target. We frequented this place, but I can't stand any closer to that building. It is hot. Yeah, they did. I know, man. I was standing closer. I couldn't do it. My skin was starting to burn, bro. You got pepper spray? Bro, that's why I wore a sweatshirt, bro. Next time, wear a sweatshirt.
That's why I don't got a mask. They fucking covered my mask.
Do you have a cover mat? Do you have a mask?
I do, just covered me.
Yeah, it cakes on your face. Next time, though, it's hot. Next time, make sure you got a sweatshirt. Because it's CS gas, too. It's not just tear gas that they're shooting out. So they got... Oh... It's almost burned all the way down. We're gonna kind of stand over here. Ironic, the Target parking lot's the safe spot. But this